everyone, welcome to our channel, Aathreya Education. Myself, Aathreya. In this video, we are going to see about HTML image tag. Image tag is used to display the image onto the browser screen. Image tag attributes are width, which is used to set the width of the image, height, which is used to set the height of the image, and alt attribute to set the alternative message if the image is unable to display. Now let's see an example program. Let's create a new file. Let's save it as image tag.html. Now let's start typing the code. Give the tag HTML, give the tag body, and say img src equals to tulips.jpg. And say width equal to 200 and height equal to 200. Close the image tag. Now let's save the file and let's run it. And as you can see, it shows the image tulips.jpg onto the browser screen. Now, if the image is unable to get displayed, then it should prompt a message to the user that the image is unable to display. So let's open Visual Studio Code and let's give another attribute alt and say this is a image. Let's save the file and run it again. As you can see, the image is getting displayed because the image is available. Now let me give tulips1.jpg and open the browser and refresh the page. Then it shows a message that this is the image. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.